You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to sync your Gmail contacts to your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Mail. Tap Accounts. If your Gmail account is already listed, tap on it. If not, tap Add Account. Select Google and sign in. Once your Gmail account is added or selected, ensure the contacts toggle is switched on. If it's off, tap the toggle to turn it green. This tells your iPhone to sync contacts from that Google account. Tap Save in the top right. Now open the Contacts app, pull down to refresh. Your Gmail contacts should start appearing. The sync may take a few minutes. To force a sync, go back to Settings, then Contacts, then Accounts. Tap your Gmail account and toggle contacts off and on again. For a more complete solution, ensure you are using the Gmail app with sync enabled. Open the Gmail app, tap your profile picture, tap Manage Accounts on this device, and ensure Contact Sync is on. Your contacts will now stay updated between your iPhone and Google. For more simple iPhone and Gmail tutorials, subscribe to the channel.